Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth and signing in so your settings and imagery load. Once done, search the location and zoom in until the satellite view is clear. This improves historical capture availability. Make sure layers like satellite and places are active. In Pro, enable historical imagery. Now pause, identify the approximate era you want to compare, and note the imagery date shown in the corner so you can target earlier or later captures. Once the area is loaded, open the timeline or historical imagery control. This reveals available past imagery. You can drag the slider left or right to jump years and months. Each move requests and loads a different imagery tile. Pay attention to cloud cover and resolution variations because older images may be lower quality. For direct comparison, pause on 1 year, note the date, then slide to another year. You'll see development or vegetation change. Finally, capture what you need. Use the snapshot tool, create place marks, or export a project to preserve multiple years for presentation. If a specific year isn't available, try changing zoom level or searching nearby. Imagery coverage varies. Make sure you compare dates and resolution before exporting so you don't misinterpret changes. If tiles won't load or the timeline is empty, clear the cache, relaunch the app, or sign out and back in. This often resolves permission or loading hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.